Hi everyone, welcome to today's trade of the day, and for today's trade of the day I will be talking about the pound dollar. Now what I have here is pound dollar on the daily, and following price action we actually see that price made a high, dropped all the way down, made a small retracement right to the previous support turn resistance level, and then it pushed lower. Right, and if we were to look to the left, I'm thinking the price will definitely push lower. Because if we were to look to the left, right, we have no other levels except for this area here, and this graphical overlap has already, price is already testing it. If I really want to be strict about it, right, we can even say that price has already surpassed it. Right, it was resistance, all right, turned support, and now it's been broken. All right, so this is a very interesting level to look at. I'm thinking that there could be a further drop. Now we can use the extension from the high, 0.1, 0.2, 0.3, and the first level is 61.8, so let's just go ahead and select the 61.8, and we can use retracement of the last movement up, and we see that this 61.8 is also quite close to the 78.6. Actually, we can even tight it to the 76.4. Not much of a difference, but just sort of makes the presentation nicer. And in terms of graphically speaking, it will definitely be this graphical level. So this is a zone that we are talking about. Alright, so this is definitely a zone that we are talking about. Okay, so price could be pushing a daily close below this level. We'll see price drop towards this 125.203. Let's go down to the lower time frame. Okay, so now we know where we got our support from. Alright, we can make the necessary adjustments. Give me a moment as I make the necessary adjustments. Alright, the picture on the 4 hour, not much of a difference as well. Okay, we still see the same movement downwards that price made, so nothing much on the 4 hours. Let's go down to the 1 hour. Now the 1 hour is easier to see, right? It's a clearer picture. Okay, this level has been broken and we're playing down to this area here. Now if we were to follow price action and just focus on the recent price movement down, here we can use Fibonacci extension 0.1, 0.2 and 0.3. We open up all Fibonacci ratios and we see that this area, this daily target that we have is in line with the 161.8 with an intermediate target at 100%. So let's go ahead and highlight those levels. I'm not taking the 61.8 level because it is too close to where price is now, and that is exactly where we are seeing the pullback, right? We're seeing the pullback, so no point looking at that level. So we have a long-term target, we have an intermediate target here, and I'm thinking that price will go down here. So what I'm going to do is use this as a sell entry, wait for price to pull back up to the sell entry with sort of our two take profits that we have. Take profit 1. Alright, and take profit 2. Okay, we can see a price is coming back to our sell entry already. And then we can use a Fibonacci retracement of this entire move down. Okay, this is a 4 hour push down, so while I recognize that this zigzag is not very nice, but at least this entire movement is really one push down on the 4 hour. So I'll take from the high to where price spiked currently, and then open all Fibonacci ratios, and we see that the 38.2 is actually at this level and our sell entry is at a 23.6. Interestingly enough, our negative 27.2 is in line with the 100% small extension on the 1 hour, and the negative 61.8 is within our daily take profit. So all the Fibonacci lining up very nicely and very, very strong confluence level. So I'm just going to go ahead and highlight those key levels. And this is the chart that we have. Alright, so my stop loss will just be slightly above this level here. Okay, so it gives the trade a bit of room to breathe. Stop loss. Alright, and if I want, I can also include sort of a momentum indicator. Alright, MACD is below 0, showing that there's room for further bearish momentum. Let me give this MA a bit of room. Okay, we're holding below the 34 moving average, so definitely bearish environment. Alright, So indicator and trend wise and long-term direction confirms it, and price is coming back to the sell entry. This seems like a very good risk reward for a nice intraday trade. So thanks everyone for tuning in to today. I hope you guys picked up something about taking trades and doing quick analysis. Always start from the bigger time frame to the lower time frame. Wish you guys all the best, and I'll catch you guys tomorrow. Thank you.